Hey, how are you? So I'm going to show you how to remove the interior hatch panel on a first generation Mini Cooper. Take out these 6 screws. Use your fingers or an interior trim tool to pop the pins on the back of the hatch. Don't pull on it too hard in the super flexible spots so that you don't break the panel. Now you have easy access to the wiper motor, the door latch actuator, and the rest of the panel parts. These panels are notorious for rusting out in this area. The rust on mine isn't too bad, so I'm gonna have to fix this before it gets worse. Because it's gonna get worse fast at this point. Well, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like my videos. I know this one was boring, but they're not all boring. Leave me a thumbs up if you want to, and as always, I'll have links in the description to where you can get your mini parts.